Troy-Bilt Super Tomahawk wood chipper needs a little bit of work. It's leaking a little bit of gas. I don't know if you can see it on the bottom of the carb. And it was sitting for a long time, as most of these are. So I ordered a brand new air filter and carburetor instead of just messing with the old one. It runs, but kind of, if you like spray a bunch of fuel into it, it'll stay running, and you can get it running eventually. But I got this on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. Get through Amazon this brand new carburetor for like, I think it was 20 bucks with the air filter. You can get them for as cheap as 15, but this one came with the air filter. Figured it was a good idea to place it. Looks pretty close to the one that came on it, so not going to mess up with rebuilding it or trying to clean it with something that's been sitting for so long when I can get one for 20 bucks. So we're going to change the carburetor. First thing, fuel line, use some pliers, and I'm putting it into a funnel, into a gas can to just drain the fuel. Slide that down. We got a flathead screwdriver. Get these two down here. You don't have to pull them all the way out, which is kind of cool because you can just slide it over. You see the air filter's pretty dirty. That's why I got a new one. We'll take a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the air cleaner base. Now you remove the carburetor from the intake, a Phillips head screwdriver, and you can. Now there's a little throttle linkage right here. I'm just gonna move it aside. It's between the two intake gaskets, the old one and this the new carburetor gasket. I'm gonna keep this old one just in case because it looks like it's in good shape. Here's the two carbs. Biggest difference would be how the choke looks on them. So this one's a lot longer. And the throttle linkage. And everything's pretty straightforward. It's just kind of figuring out what hole the throttle linkage to go in. Also the inlet tube's a little different, but that shouldn't affect anything too much. So after trying a couple different holes for the throttle linkage, it looks like this one right here in the corner is the one. Let's hope. Remember to put the carb gasket on, thread the bolts in. I had to bend the choke tab a little bit to fit around the air cleaner. Screw the air cleaner base back on, Phillips head. Air cleaner.